This video will show you how to replace the blower motor resistor on a GMC Sierra 2500. This will be located under the passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way underneath the passenger side dash. We're going to remove our lower plastic panel. Now as we look underneath the dash here, we can see all the way over towards the passenger side kick panel, one of our 7mm headed mounting bolts. Now there are 3 of these. There's one here, there's one in the center, and one all the way over towards the driver's side. Let's start with the one on the passenger side. Just a quick inspection of our hardware as we continue on. Let's get the next bolt out of there. Our next piece of hardware is located just underneath where the center console is. We're making our way all the way down here. Another 7mm headed mounting bolt. Now this bolt is tucked right in here. See if I can get my tool on it. Now that I have that out of there, let's move all the way over towards the driver's side. We're saving the center for last. Now that we have that one out, we're making our way towards the center. This is where the next mounting bolt is. If you were looking at the plastic panel, you can see this rectangular notch. Make your way just underneath it. Now this is a tight area. Still using our 7mm. Take hold of this shield. We're just going to give it a wiggle. We should be able to pull it out of place. Now that we have the panel out of the way, we can look up underneath our glove box, and this is where we have our blower motor and our blower motor resistor. Now we're replacing the blower motor resistor for this, so we're going to make our way to our electrical connectors. There's one down along the bottom here. Has a locking tab. We're just going to squeeze that in and we'll pull this out of place. Once you have it disconnected, a quick inspection for corrosion. If you see any, it needs to be taken care of. That looks good. No corrosion there. We'll set that aside. To continue removing the blower motor resistor, you're going to find that you have 2 T20 torque screws. We can see one down at the bottom of the resistor. The next one's just above. We'll have a quick look at the new one. So looking at this, we can see where the lower mounting bolt is. The upper one will be just above it, as I mentioned. It's very difficult to see this one. Now since the first mounting screw is out in the open and very easy to get to, I'm going to start with the harder of the two up along the top. There's our first mounting screw. A thorough inspection of our mounting hardware, we'll place it as necessary. Now we can get this next one down here. Both screws are out. We can remove the blower motor resistor. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, clean and inspect the mounting area. Just going to use a clean rag, no detergents here. I don't see any debris, so let's continue on with the installation of our brand new blower motor resistor. Now as we bring this into position, we want to make sure that we have it so our connector locks are facing towards the passenger side. Once we have it in position, we can continue on with each of our 2 mounting screws. I'm going to start in the lower one first. That should prevent this from falling out as I continue on to the next. Make sure that's started in a couple threads. We will leave it loose in case we have to move this for the next mounting screw. Put that on there. They're both started in. Let's go ahead and snug them up. Now right there's bottomed out. Keep in mind you are only screwing into plastic. Don't over tighten and strip anything. Okay, bottomed out. Just a tiny bit further there. Make sure it's secure. Continue on with your electrical connectors. We have our first electrical connector. It's going to go up along the top area. Just going to line this up. We'll press it in. After an audible click from that, a quick wiggle. We've got our next electrical connector. Pressing it in, listen for a click. That's secured as well. One last quick inspection in this area, and we can reinstall our lower panel. Let's get our lower panel back in place here. I'm bringing this over. Once you feel as though you have it properly aligned, continue on to all of your mounting bolts. You're going to start them in and snug them up. Now I've got one of my mounting screws. Get this started in right here. Now we're towards the center area. We have another mounting bolt. It's going to go right in this port here. It's very difficult to see. Right there's bottomed out. Let's make our way towards the driver's side next. Right there's bottomed out. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is put the key in the on position, and you're going to make sure you test your blower motor on all speeds. This is going to test the blower motor and your resistor. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.